All right, so we can start now. I hope I must be properly audible and you're being able to get my voice, right? Great.
Yes, sir.
Before we start today's session, first of all, I would like to know whether you have any issues, any questions, or whatsoever. If you have any questions, ask me. All right. You seem to have no questions. Uh, we can move further with live translation activity. So, in live translation activity, what we do, I just keep talking to you or keep saying in Hindi, and you're supposed to translate it there itself. We can start with Anju. You have
Okay.
to
Good morning.
repeat. Good morning. You don't have to mute.
Okay, sir.
यार पता है आज क्या हुआ? आज जब मैं ऑफिस जा रही थी तो मैंने एक अजीब घटना देखी.
You know what happened today? When I was going to office, I saw an strange incident today.
A strange incident today, alright? Uh, मैंने
Or I
correct.
happened to see a strange incident today.
That is also correct. Fine. मैंने क्या देखा? एक एक भिखारी था जो जिसके पास कई सारे क्यूआर कोड्स थे.
Okay. What I saw, there was a beggar who had so many QR codes.
लेकिन अ, मजे की बात क्या है पता है? वो भिखारी नहीं लग रहा था. वो मुझे काफी अच्छे खानदान से लग रहा था.
And you know, the interesting fact is that he didn't seem to be a beggar. He seemed to be he seemed to belong to a very decent family
और अफ्लुएंट फैमिली.
or affluent family.
लेकिन मुझे ऑफिस के लिए देर हो रही थी तो अ, मैं वहां नहीं गई.
But I was getting late for office, so I didn't go there.
और जब मैं ऑफिस पहुंची तो अ, तो सभी लोग उसके बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे कि उन्होंने भी उसे रास्ते में देखा था.
And when I got office, so everyone was talking about the same beggar that
They had
they
also
also
seen.
saw the same.
They had also seen.
They had also seen him.
मैंने कहा छोड़ो यार, ये सब बातों में कौन ध्यान दे, चलो मुझे अब अपना काम करना चाहिए.
I was like, leave this. Who should get involved in all this? I should more focus on my work. I should better focus on my work.
और मैं एक साधारण दिन की तरह अपना काम करने लगी.
And I started uh, I started working like a usual day.
अ, मैं ऑफिस से घर लगभग 5 बजे तक आती हूँ.
I get home by 5 from office.
अ, तो जब मैंने जब मैं वापस आ रही थी तो मैंने उस पर्सन को फिर से देखा.
While I was coming back, I saw that person again.
तो मुझे लगा चलो सुबह मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, अभी मुझे जाके देखना चाहिए कि ये माजरा क्या है.
So I thought in the morning I had no time, but now I should go and see like what's the matter.
हम्म. जब मैं उसके पास पहुंची और उससे कुछ देर बातें की तो मुझे पता चला कि मेरी सोच सही थी, वो अफ्लुएंट फैमिली से ही था.
When I got there and I talked to him for a while, I got to know that I was right.
He was
He
from fluent language. He
he
was. अब
was
was पे stress डाल दो. Was पे stress
okay.
डाल
He was from a affluent family,
दो. लेकिन मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि वो ऐसा कर क्यों रहा था.
but I didn't understand why he was doing that. Why he was doing so.
जब मैंने उससे पूछा तो उसने मुझे बताया कि उसने एक दिन में 7,000 कमाए हैं.
When I asked him, he told me that he earned 60,000 in a day.
अ, और उसी की वजह से वो अप्लुएंट बन पाया है, लेकिन उसने अपने काम को नहीं छोड़ा.
Okay. Uh, and he he was able to become affluent because of begging, but he didn't quit his job.
परफेक्ट. फाइन. Impressive.
Thank you.
Moving further. Now, Nikhil, Kushagra, and others, Samiksha, Simran, you guys must have understood how we have live translation practice. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we'll carry on with the same. Now, Kushagra, it's your turn.
Okay.
Hmm. हम्म, यार इस संडे को मैं काफी बोर्ड फील कर रहा था, मतलब काफी बोरिंग लग रहा था मेरे को.
I feel so bored this Sunday.
हम्म, अ, हम्म, मैं हम्म, मैं सोच रहा था कि क्या करूं, कहाँ जाऊं, किससे बातें करूं.
I was thinking about what to do, where to go, and
whom to talk to.
whom to talk. Okay, whom to talk to. Okay.
हम्म, हम्म, अब चूंकि अ, ये अर्ली मॉर्निंग थी और मुझे नींद भी नहीं आ रही थी, तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो अ, मैं कुणाल को कॉल कर लेता हूँ.
Mm,
सिंस
Since
हाँ, चूंकि के लिए सिस्टम है.
since it was early morning and I was not feeling sleepy,
हम्म,
I thought I just called Kunal.
या लेमी भी बोल सकते हैं. आई थॉट लेट मी जस्ट कॉल
Okay.
कुणाल.
Okay.
अ, हम्म, जब मैंने उसे फोन किया तो उसका भी वही हाल था.
When I called him, he was in the same situation.
हम्म, अ, फिर मैंने उससे कहा कि चल अ, हम्म, चल ये जो चौक पे जो चाय की टपरी है उधर मिलते हैं. चाय की टपरी बोलेंगे टी स्टॉल.
Okay. Then I told him, come on, let's meet at the tea stall at the
एट
chowk पे
चौक.
क्या बोलेंगे सर?
एट चौक. चौक प्लेस का नाम है. एट चौक.
Okay, okay, at the chowk.
द चौक नहीं, एट चौक.
Okay, okay.
अ, हम्म, हम्म, हाँ. फिर हम दोनों जब टी स्टॉल पे मिले तो वहां हम लोगों ने प्लान बनाया कि यार हमें जो लखनिया दरी में वाटरफॉल है वहां चलना चाहिए.
Sorry, Lakhania Dari.
हाँ, वो जो एक प्लेस का नाम है वहां पे वाटरफॉल है. जब हम लोग टी स्टॉल पे
then
मिले तो जब हम लोग टी स्टॉल पे मिले तो हम लोगों ने प्लान बनाया कि अ, हमें लखनऊ के जो वाटरफॉल है वहां चलना चाहिए।
okay. Then when we both met there,
हम्म
we made a plan that
हम्म
we should go to Lakhmiya Dari waterfall.
परफेक्ट। कुणाल ने सजेस्ट किया कि आइडिया तो अच्छा है, लेकिन हम जाएंगे कैसे?
And then Kunal suggested that sounds like a good idea,
हम्म
but how will we go?
हम्म। अ, मैंने आश्चर्य से कहा, जाएंगे कैसे? अरे अपनी बाइक किस दिन काम आएगी?
Uh,
I exclaimed with surprise. मैंने आश्चर्य से कहा। I exclaimed with surprise.
I exclaimed with surprise, how will we go?
How will we
Uh,
go? Uh-huh. When will our
Sorry.
bikes when will our bikes be of use? देखो, be
Okay, okay.
of use इसका मतलब होता है काम में आना। So the bike will be of use, या फिर the laptop will be of use, लैपटॉप काम में आएगा। The phone will be of use, या in use भी बोल सकते हैं, that's also correct. So when
Okay,
will when will our bikes be of use?
okay.
हम्म, उसने कहा, "अ, यार तू तो जानता है कि पेट्रोल 100 रुपए पार कर चुका है।"
Then he said, bro, you know that petrol has crossed rupees 100.
हम्म, मैंने उससे कहा, "अ, चल साले गरीब, मैं चल तेरे बाइक में मैं पेट्रोल डलवा दूंगा।"
Sorry, sir.
मैंने उससे
Can you
कहा
repeat?
कि मैंने उससे कहा कि चल साले गरीब, तेरे बाइक में पेट्रोल मैं डलवा दूंगा। मैं तेरे को पेट्रोल के
Mm,
पैसे दे दूंगा।
sir, then I said, don't worry, uh, I'll pay for the petrol.
हाँ, डोंट वरी यू पुअर फेलो मीन चल
Okay,
गरीब।
okay, poor fellow. Okay.
बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा किया आपने पूछा। लाइक मैंने उम्मीद नहीं की थी इतना अच्छा करने की, बट हाँ मिस्टेक्स तो हुई हैं, बट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू
Yes,
टू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस फर्स्ट।
okay.
राइट। सो आई फेल्ट इन पास्ट की बात है तो पास्ट में होना चाहिए। वैसे आप वो चीज समझ जाओगे जब आप टेंसेस पे मूव करोगे। अभी
Okay,
कॉन्फिडेंस के
sir.
लिए काफी अच्छा था। ओके,
Okay.
समीक्षा, इट्स योर टर्न। हम्म अम, यार मैं अपने पड़ोसी से तंग आ चुकी हूँ।
Yeah, I'm frustrated to my neighbors. I'm
नहीं,
getting frustrated
I
now.
have got tired of I have got tired of हुआ है।
I have
अब
got
नहीं।
tired of my neighbors.
क्यों? ऐसा क्या हुआ?
Why? Uh, what was happened?
What such happened? Such?
What just happened?
हम्म, नहीं यार, हम्म, वो मेरा एक पड़ोसी है, वो हमेशा मेरे गेट पर कूड़ा ड्रॉप कर देता है, और रात को लाउड म्यूजिक भी बजाता है।
No, yeah, there was one neighbor.
There-
There is one neighbor. He is the always drop garbage in the gate of mine, and always play sounds loudly in the night.
Loud music at night. Uh,
Mm.
hmm. तो तुमने उससे कुछ कहा कि नहीं?
Uh, have you told anything to them
और नॉट?
or not?
ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स हो रही हैं, बट डोंट वरी, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस फर्स्ट, देन विल मूव फर्दर विद ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स एंड ऑल। ठीक है। यार, मैंने अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं कहा है, लेकिन मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे पुलिस में कंप्लेंट करना चाहिए।
Yeah, I didn't tell them anything till now, but I'm thinking to file a complaint against them.
यार, सोच रही हूँ? कम ऑन, तुम्हें ये ऑलरेडी कर देना चाहिए था।
Yeah, you're still thinking? Come on, you have uh,
यू शुड
uh,
हैव ऑलरेडी डन सो।
you should have already done so.
तुम अ, तुम बहुत बेवकूफ और मासूम हो।
You're very silly and uh,
इनोसेंट।
silly, innocent, silly and
ठीक है, अगर ये तुमसे नहीं हो पा रहा है तो मैं कंप्लेन कर दूंगा।
uh, it's fine if it's not
बीइंग डन बाय यू, या
if it's not being
इफ यू आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डू सो, एबल टू यूज करो यार, जो ग्रामर सिखाए उसका यूज तो करो।
if you are not being able to do so, then I'll do it for you.
चलो ठीक है, आज जब मैं बाहर निकलूंगा तो मैं कंप्लेन कर दूंगा, लेकिन फिलहाल के लिए मेरे मेरे लिए एक गर्मा गर्म अदरक वाली चाय बनाओ।
It's okay if when I'll get out of the home, then I'll file complaint for you. But right now, but right now, make a make it uh, uh, make a ginger tea for me.
हॉट चाहिए for me। हम्म, और हाँ, उसके साथ ब्रेड और बटर लाना मत भूलना।
And yes, don't forget to bring bread and butter with tea.
एक और बात, वो ब्रेड मुलायम नहीं होनी चाहिए, उसे थोड़ा रोस्ट कर लेना। और बटर तो मुझे अमूल का ही पसंद है।
And one more thing, I don't want that soft bread. I want it
क्रिस्पी।
more crispy, and I love only I love Amul butter only.
शिट यार, अमूल बटर तो नहीं है क्या? न्यूट्रेला से काम चलेगा?
I don't have Amul butter. Uh, could you
ना सॉल्व योर पर्पस।
will Nutella solve your purpose?
नहीं, मैं न्यूट्रेला नहीं खाता, रुको मैं ब्लैंकेट करता हूँ।
No, yeah, I don't like Nutella. Uh, uh, I'll blink it.
लेट मी ब्लैंकेट। बढ़िया।
Let me.
ग्रेट। नेक्स्ट, who's the next person? So that can be Nikhil.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. यार, तेरे को पता है क्या कि पहले मैं काफी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट हुआ करता था।
Do you know, in past I was so underconfident.
हम्म।
I feel so underconfident.
नहीं, पहले आप सही बोल देते। आई फेल्ट बोल सकते हैं, या आई यूज टू बी, ऑल आर करेक्ट। मैं हम्म, मुझ में लोगों को अप्रोच करने की हिम्मत नहीं थी।
I have no confidence to
talk or interact with people?
I had
Okay.
I had no confidence to interact with people. Uh, वैसे मैं हिंदी में तो बात कर पाता था, लेकिन जब बारी आती थी इंग्लिश की, सो मैं मेरे को पसीने आने लगते थे।
सर एक बार पूरा रिपीट कर सकते हैं?
वैसे मैं हिंदी में तो बात कर पाता था, लेकिन जब बारी आती थी इंग्लिश की तो मेरे को पसीने आने लगते थे।
I was comfortable in Hindi, but when uh, when when came to speak in English, I feel so hesitate.
Mm-hmm. I felt, yeah, I felt sweaty, agitated. Yeah, I used to get sweaty. Both of it. लेकिन फिर मैंने अपनी इंग्लिश पे ध्यान देना शुरू किया,
But after that, I worked on my English.
क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मैं बाकी सब एरियाज में परफेक्ट हूँ, सिर्फ इंग्लिश ने ही मुझे रोका हुआ है।
Because I know I am perfect in other fields. Only English is stopping me for my future or
हाँ, alright, only English was hindering me. या बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. Had become an obstacle a lot of ways over there. Well done. Okay. लेकिन अम, लेकिन यार इंग्लिश सीखना तो काफी टफ रहा होगा, है कि नहीं? अच्छा, ये आप शायद ना बना पाओ। देखो, कोई ऐसा हुआ होगा, रहा होगा, उठा होगा, जो पास्ट की बात होती है उसमें मस्ट हैव लगता है। तो लर्निंग इंग्लिश मस्ट हैव बीन डिफिकल्ट, मस्टंट इट? मस्टंट इट का मतलब होता है मस्ट इट नॉट, तो वो टैग क्वेश्चन में रहता है। ठीक। अ, हम्म, नहीं, इंग्लिश सीखना टफ तब है जब आप उसको ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से सीखते हो।
no, English is tough when you learn in as a in a traditional way.
हम्म। लेकिन जब आप लेकिन जैसे ही आप प्रैक्टिकल तरीके अडॉप्ट करना शुरू कर देते हो, आप खुद में एक चेंज महसूस करते हो। एज सुन एज
When when you tried as a thinking way, you can adapt as soon as fast.
जब आप जैसे ही आप प्रैक्टिकल तरीके फॉलो करना शुरू कर देते हो, तो आप खुद में एक चेंज महसूस करते हो। एज सुन एज यू start following the practical method, yeah, adopt the practical method, you feel a change in yourself, और वो चेंज होता है आपके आत्मविश्वास के बारे में।
And that's the change about our confidence.
That change is about our confidence. उसी अंदाज में बोलना होता है, ध्यान दीजिएगा निखिल। इससे आपका दो काम होता रहेगा। अगर आप ट्रांसलेशन के समय, किसी भी चीज के समय उसी अंदाज में बोल रहे हैं, तो आपकी इंग्लिश तो इम्प्रूव, मतलब वो जो ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स होते हैं वो तो इम्प्रूव हो ही रहे हैं, उसके अलावा आपको वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन की भी प्रैक्टिस हो रही है। आपने मेरे को देखा होगा कि मैं हमेशा जब भी कोई भी सेंटेंस बोलना हो, चाहे हिंदी में हो चाहे इंग्लिश में, उसी अंदाज में बोलने का है। तो ये अडॉप्ट कीजिए। हाँ, बढ़िया। वेंडा, यू गुड कॉन्फिडेंट। ओके। न्यू, आई न्यू आई वाज फॉर्मिंग एंड ऑल, सो नो नहीं होगा, बट कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। सिमरन, इट्स योर टर्न। और बताओ आजकल क्या चल रहा है?
Tell me, let's now what's going on nowadays.
Nowadays, नहीं यार, कुछ खास नहीं। बस मैं अपने एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रही हूँ।
And the thing
Nothing special, man. Nothing
Think
special.
special, man. Think special, man. I'm just working on a project nowadays.
हम्म। क्या मैं पूछ सकता हूँ किस टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट है?
Can I ask which type of project?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स। ये बेसिकली एक यूएस बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि मुझे इस संडे तक कंप्लीट करना है।
Yeah, of course. It is a USA USA project which I completed from this Sunday.
Which I
Till
gotta
this Sunday.
complete, which I have
Which
to
I
या have to की जगह आप gotta भी यूज कर सकते हैं। Which I gotta,
which I
GOTTA, which I gotta complete by this Sunday।
by this Sunday.
by का मतलब होता है तक या till भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
Okay.
ओके।
Okay.
हाँ ठीक है, मैं समझ गया, लेकिन प्रोजेक्ट किस बारे में है?
Okay, I understand, but what's about the project?
What's the project about? What's the project about?
What's project about? What's project about?
तो ये डेटा एनालिसिस के बारे में है।
So it's on data analysis.
तुम नहीं समझोगे यार।
You don't understand, yeah.
You won't
You
understand।
won't understand.
क्यों? मैं क्यों नहीं समझ सकता?
Why? Why I don't understand?
हम्म, क्योंकि तुम्हारा प्रोफेशन अलग है।
Because your profession is different.
अ, नहीं, प्रोफेशन की बात नहीं होती है, आपको सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए।
No, it's not thing about profession, but it's your interest. It's upon your interest.
हाँ हाँ, इट्स ऑन इंटरेस्ट या इट्स अप टू योर इंटरेस्ट। ठीक है, अगर मैं बताऊंगा तो अ, मुझे लगता है कि शाम हो जाएगी, तो मैं तुम्हें ये फिर कभी बताऊंगा। अभी चलो, अ, अभी चलो, अ, 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 एक नया स्टोर खुला है 99 स्टोर के नाम से, वहां चलते हैं।
Uh, I thought if I tell you, uh,
इट विल गेट इवनिंग।
it will get evening. Let's go to a new store which opened in the name of 1991.
99 स्टोर? तो
99 store.
क्या ये वही है जो मैं समझ रहा हूँ?
99 store. It is that
इज इट
which I thought. Is it that
इज इट द
which I
सेम
thought?
आई एम गेटिंग? इज इट द सेम आई एम गेटिंग? इज इट द सेम आई एम गेटिंग? देखो, गेट के बहुत सारे यूज हो सकते हैं, तो गेट का यूज आप सीखो। गेट का मतलब
Okay.
अंडरस्टैंड भी होता है, ठीक है। गेट का मतलब होता है धारणा बनाना भी होता है। गेट का मतलब प्राप्त करना भी होता है। गेट का मतलब गेट डन, गेट समथिंग डन, किसी चीज को पूरा करना, वो भी होता है। बहुत सारे तरीके मतलब गेट के यूज होता है। इज इट द सेम आई एम गेटिंग? हाँ यार, ऑफ कोर्स, वहां पे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स तुम्हें 99 के मिलेंगे।
Yes, yes, that of course. Their all product are price is 99.
Majority of the products will
Majority of the
you will
product.
get for 99। Perfect। Fine, बढ़िया बढ़िया। Now, what do you think about this activity?
It's better to improve your grammar skills.
Hmm. I thought about it yesterday.
So we will practice with this practice sometimes.
Hmm. It's not only about tense, it's about a lot of grammatical topics and all. Okay, moving further. Now we have speed thinking drill. As you know, in speed thinking drill, I give a word and you're supposed to speak for around 3 minutes on the same. Okay. निखिल और कुशाग्र, आप ध्यान दीजिए। स्पीड थिंकिंग ड्रिल हमारी पहली एक्टिविटी उसमें हो जाएगी, और उसमें हमारा क्या होता है कि मैं एक वर्ड दूंगा, रैंडम वर्ड। आपको उस पे ही 3 मिनट तक, कोशिश कीजिएगा 3 मिनट तक, you just have to try to speak for 3 minutes. If you're not able to go ahead for 3 minutes, no issues. At least try to speak. Okay. Hmm. So you will get an example. First, Anju, it's your turn. Hmm. And mm, your term is self-respect. Self-respect. Three, two, one, go. Not being able to get your voice. Anju,
Now, yes, hello.
now you're audible. Your term is
Okay.
self-respect.
Self-respect. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So self-respect is really very important for a person because it shows it shows the person's dignity. And if the person has no dignity, I think there is no point of living the life. That means that person has no value for himself. So one should really care about his self-respect and should not let anyone down that, or if self-respect is not means that mm, disturbing others, or sometimes it is mistaken as proud or arrogance, but it doesn't mean that. Self respect is just that you are valuing your own principles, and there should be a boundary or limit that you should not cross it. Uh, if you should not, you are not bound to do anything which your conscience doesn't allow you. So, in my opinion, uh, one should really set their boundaries that beyond this, you will not be able to do it. And also, intentions also matter, that the other person wants to let you down, or what the other person's intentions are, so we can respond accordingly and we can protect our self respect or dignity. That's it. Thank you.
All right, better one. So let's talk about a few improvements. The first one is be particular about. At the place of care about, we can say be particular. We have to be particular about our dignity, our self-respect, our
Okay,
yeah,
particular.
be
Okay.
particular about. Next one is ruin. Ruin the reputation or abase someone. Okay, debase. That's also correct. Insult. Uh,
Debase. What did you say?
abase is correct, or insult is correct.
Abase. Abase.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
It's written in the chat box.
All right. Please. All right, sir.
Now, moving further, and now it's your turn, Samiksha. So uh, your word is opportunity. Your word is opportunity. Three,
Okay.
two, one, go.
So, opportunities, we all got so many opportunities in our life, but we didn't get it. Like we just sometimes we just ignore it, and after we lose that opportunity, we regret in life. But we should not regret, because in life we uh, we 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 get so many opportunities, and we should grab that opportunity. Uh, we should grab that opportunity, and mm, one opportunity can change your life upside down in a positive way. So uh, you should not think negatively what will happen if I'll do these things and all. You just go for it, think positive, and focus on your goal, because you when you want to achieve your goal, you need to grab that opportunity with your open eyes, and we should you should prepare yourself, to grab that opportunity, because not anyone can grab that opportunity. You should have that much stronger. You should have that skills that you can survive after grabbing that opportunity, because it's not everyone's cup of tea. uh, you need to be knowledgeable. You need to be skillful, and have experienced, and have plenty of knowledge about that field. So,
If you start running out of ideas, you could implement or you could add examples, like personalized examples, like related to your life, related to um, like your acquaintances' lives, right?
yes, of course. So, in my life, I am a stay-at-home mom for 2 years. In the beginning of motherhood, I was doing a work from home that time as well, but I was found it very difficult for me to manage my kid and job with the same. Then I dropped the idea, and my confidence was get very low in that phase, and I was very scared to grab the opportunity. But my members, my mother, my husband, plays a very vital role in my uh, to boost my confidence. And right now I'm doing the same thing, but uh, uh, but there but in behind there there is my mom and my husband. They who boost my confidence, and who believe in me, which is very big thing for me, uh, because when opportunities comes to you, you should have the person around you that believes in you, who trust who pushes you, uh, mm, जो आपको who push जो आपको
Push you to move further or to do great in life, or
yes,
encourage you. You know,
yes,
things like that.
push you to move further, who encourages you. So I'm blessed with that kind of people around me, and yeah, that's it from my side.
Mehta, let's talk about the improvement. The first one is grab and get. Get का मतलब होता है प्राप्त हो जाना, मिलना, और grab का मतलब होता है उसको पकड़ लेना. मतलब it can be about opportunity or whatsoever. The next one is it is not negatively. No, it is negative. Ne, ए का sound आएगा वहाँ पे. It's negatively. Next one is I found it difficult. It was difficult for me. I found it difficult. Correct. Shattered. Shattered का मतलब होता है चकनाचूर हो जाना. So the hopes shattered, or confidence shattered. Next one is they've got my back. They've got my back. मतलब मेरे को उनका साथ है. They stand by me. They've got my back. ठीक है. जैसे बोल सकते हो my God has got my back. ठीक है. Next one is come to you or push. Be particular about plural and singular. Okay, when you are using, subject verb agreement. When you are using plural subject, use plural verb as well. Means no as or yes. Okay, moving further. Kushagra, it's your turn, and your term is self-defense. Your term is self-defense. Although it is your first, you can say, fast thinking or speed thinking drill activity. But just try, yet you can try, right? Self defense. Carry on.
Means protecting yourself from danger or harm. It can be from a person, an animal, or any risky situation. The main idea of self-defense is to stay safe and avoid getting hurt or injured. Self-defense is very important in today's world. Everyone, especially students and working people, should know basic self-defense. It doesn't always mean fighting. Sometimes it means to be alert or avoid danger before it happens. For example, if you are walking alone at night or you see uh, सर कोई मतलब कुछ दिखेगा वैसा क्या बोलेंगे सर सस्पिशियस
Yeah, if something is fishy, or you witness a wrongdoing, आप एक गलत चीज को विटनेस करते हो, विटनेस करते हो मतलब देखते हो, या you find something fishy, something suspicious, something doubtful, something dubious.
fishy person self defense means staying away going to a safe place or calling someone for help. This is also self defense even without fighting. And if I take another example, is the when someone tries to grab your hand or attack you, in that situation, if you know some basic self-defense moves, then you can escape and protect yourself. Many people learn techniques from martial arts like karate or taekwondo to defend themselves. That's all, sir.
All right, well done. You spoke well. It's your like first speed thinking drill activity, but you did well. Okay, fine. I hope you're getting confident now. Nikhil, it's your turn. And your term is, uh, huh, your word is aggression. Do you know the meaning?
Aggression, aggressive.
Aggression. Aggression. Three,
So
two. Yes, you're asking something.
aggression means like showing anger
Yes.
in a any harmful way.
Uh-huh.
It can be through words, action, or it also shown in your behavior too. But sometimes aggression also show strength. But in reality, it often creates more problems than solution because aggression destroy many relationships. If we talk anyone with angrily or behave in anger, we can hurt other feelings, and this may occur break friendship, families, and also trust. And it is a type of violence because just because of aggression, a small argument become into a big fight, and and it happened when people lost their emotions instead of solving their situation. Aggression make it so worse, and aggression also show lack of control on ourselves because a strong person never show aggression because it is try to stay calm to close the fight, and aggression also affect on our mental health, and it also increases the negative feeling in our body too, and it's only not harms others but also harm ourselves. That's it, sir.
All right. It not only others but also us. Fine. Better. Although, I mean, there were grammatical mistakes and all, but no issues. Confidence is the first. Then we'll move further with grammar and all. Simran, it's your turn. Okay, Simran is over here. Fine. Mm. Simran, your word is responsibility. Your word is responsibility. Three, two, one, go.
Responsibilities means when you handle everything and the responsibilities are important in your life. If you're responsible and you don't get responsibilities, might be you become always like a children and always don't get responsibility, and then you will never become a matured person. And if you get responsibility and you take opportunities for that, and with responsibility sometimes we get more opportunities. We don't get responsibilities, then we will never become a good and a better person. Because responsibilities is that which will learn a lesson of life to us, and we will learn everything.
There's an issue with your headphones. There's an issue with your headphones. Uh, yeah, fix it, please.
Uh, is it good now, sir?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. And opportunities will and your responsibilities will make you better and matured person, uh, and you will get more opportunities when you are matured, and you understand things very carefully, and that will make you better person in your life. And responsibilities is that uh, when you handle everything so confidently and better, it's a better option to get responsibilities in when you are when you become matured, and that's the better options for us than if we but sometimes we get more pressured on responsibilities. But if you have responsibility, don't forget yourself. You can also focus on yourself, then you focus on your responsibilities. It's better to become a better person, to make yourself better. And you with responsibilities you also take care of yourself and other persons who are always love you, and that's a better options to take responsibilities with your self health and everything. And responsibilities are better to make a person good, mature, and matured and better, and you will become a good person when when you become matured. It's that for that's all about the topic. Thank you, sir.
It was better, but I think somewhere you were beating about the bush because you didn't have the points. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
I understand. Remember, it's childish. आपने कुछ उसमें आप बोलना चाहते हैं वो childish होगा. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
A person who doesn't have sense of responsibility becomes childish or get responsible. अच्छा, as there is a saying, when the going gets tough, the tough get going.
Okay, sir.
आपने ये saying सुनी है? मैंने शायद क्लास में पढ़ा है.
Yes, sir.
हम्म, जब मुसीबत हो तो अंदर से मजबूत लोग साहस तथा सब्र का परिचय देते हैं. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Moving further, we have uh, vocab, idioms 61 to 70. Just a moment. Sixty-one to 70 idioms. All right. मानो या ना मानो, लेकिन चोरी उसने की है. चोरी करने को बोलेंगे कमिट अ थेफ्ट. कमिट अ थेफ्ट. मानो या ना मानो, चोरी उसने की है. वो तुम्हारे साथ गाली गलौज क्यों कर रहा था? वो तुम्हारे साथ गाली गलौज क्यों कर रहा था? नेक्स्ट. मुझे पता है कि अ, जगह का अच्छे से यूज कैसे करना है. मुझे पता है कि जगह का सबसे अच्छा यूज कैसे करना है. नेक्स्ट. जहां तक मुझे याद है, अ, तुमने उसे नहीं बुलाया है, राइट? जहां तक मुझे याद है, तुमने उसे नहीं बुलाया है, राइट? उससे बात ना करना तुम्हारी समझदारी होगी. उससे बात ना करना तुम्हारी समझदारी होगी. नेक्स्ट. क्या तुमसे कोई बहस में जीत सकता है? क्या तुमसे कोई बहस में जीत सकता है? उसका ताली बजाकर स्वागत किया जाएगा। उसका ताली बजाकर स्वागत किया जाएगा। ये काम कल तक हो जाना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर तुम इसे आज ही कर सकते हो तो और भी अच्छा। ये काम कल तक हो जाना चाहिए, अगर तुम इसे आज ही कर सकते हो तो और भी अच्छा। All right, who would like to get it checked? Raise your hand if you want to get it checked. Someone has faced. Let me check who has faced. Nikhil wants to get it checked. Wow. Let me present the screen first. So Nikhil will move from 61 to 70. Hmm.
Can I start, sir?
Yes,
First one is, believe it or not, he commits theft.
he has. उसने चोरी की है. He has committed theft.
Why he is hit below the belt?
नहीं, वो तुम्हारे साथ गाली गलौज क्यों कर रहा था? Why was he? Why was he hitting you below the belt? ये आप टेंसेस में सीख जाओगे, डोंट वरी.
I know how to make the best use of place.
Perfect.
So fourth one, what is?
वो जहां तक मुझे याद है, क्या था इसमें?
तो ये बना नहीं पाया.
You haven't called him. जहाँ तक मुझे याद है.
हाँ, जहां तक मुझे याद है तुमने उसे नहीं बुलाया है. टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माई मेमोरी यू हैवंट कॉल्ड हिम, राइट?
Not talking about that. That would be the smart thing for you.
हाँ, सही है, लेकिन ध्यान दीजिएगा, इसको ऐसे बनाएंगे. यू वुड बी बेटर ऑफ नॉट टॉकिंग टू हिम. यू वुड बी बेटर ऑफ नॉट टॉकिंग टू हिम.
If anyone get the better of you in debate,
कैन एनीवन कैन एनीवन गेट द बेटर ऑफ यू इन आर्गुमेंट और डिबेट व्हाटसोएवर?
it will be welcomed with applause.
सही है, ये भी सही है. या ही विल बी गिवन अ बिग हैंड.
This work should be completed by tomorrow. If you do it by today, that would be better.
हाँ, दैट वुड बी बेटर. या सो मच द बेटर. So much the better. Fine. Any questions? Does anyone have? Well done, well done. Nikhil. Does anyone have any questions? All right. So yeah, that's all for today. We're gonna wind up. Take care and bye bye.